Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini binti Mustafa Kamal, number matric A19800504. Today, I want to present about our assignment group. First, it's abstract. The main purpose of our group doing the assignment are to apply the basic accounting subject that has we learned in class, so we can learn the theory to practical in the class. Our group member consists of 6 students. The company that our group has chosen is Asnani Cosmetic. This company located at Tesco Kota Baru, Kelantan. This reason why we choose this company is because the company is near to our campus. So, that is very easy for our to do this assignment. Asnani Cosmetic is running a business about selling healthy products and cosmetics. We carry on this interview with the owner of this company. We get much information to doing our assignment about Asnani Cosmetic. We get information about Asnani background, financing information, and the purpose of setting up this business and more. Second, introduction. Accounting is the language of business. Accounting also is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analysis, and reporting this transaction to oversight, agency, regulator, and tax collection entity. The financial statements used in accounting are a concise summary of financial transactions over an accounting period, summarizing a company operation, financial position, and cash flow. If the effective communicating this information is the key to the success of every business. Accounting also is a service activity and important because it provides quantitative financial information to various stakeholders intended for use economic decision. The stakeholders include investor, management, government, supplier, financial regulator, and so on. In today's complex business environment, it's very important to business keep their accounting record clean and up to date. Besides that, proper accounting is important for any business running. This is because accounting record help in evaluation business performs against a company. For example, the company is in a stable position running its business. It can also manage the business and help business become lawful. It is very important for a company to stay ahead and compete with the more advanced companies. Company background. The name of the company is Asnani Cosmetic. The owner is Asnani binti Yahaya. She lives at PT 114 Kampung Tok Lundang Paku 16450 Cataract, Kelantan. The location business is tingkat 1 depan Mutiara Ikip, Tesco Kota Baru 15150 Kelantan. The company start operation hour at 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. Last but not least, activity of business is selling healthy product and cosmetic. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Siti Nur Nasra. I want to talk about action taken by the group to guide and help the business to improve a systematic recording of business transaction. When we do a business, we must record every transaction for the duration of the business. Firstly, to get a good record of the business, Asnani Cosmetics should record their activity business those on book. Recording those book will make Asnani Cosmetics easy to see the transaction every month. So she must take note every transaction carried out. After that, exit or entry transaction must be noted into the book. So the owner must be record their exit or entry transaction that they do that. This is because to avoid the unintended incident. In addition, the transaction will be wrong and lost. Why I say like this? Some of owners prefer to record their transaction with so some transaction is missing, so they will be record the wrong transaction. Next, the action that we take to improve a systematic recording of business transaction is stored on paper storage. For example, the paper storage is like invoice, checks, bank slips, and also bank statement. All the paper storage must be kept after the owner do a purchase or sale. After that, Asnani Cosmetics should also keep a bank statement where payment which is made. This is because each receipt and invoice of the purchase and sale can be treated as evidence for the recording of business. Lastly, Asnani Cosmetics should record using a computer. Recording a computer is easier because it's do not to calculate. Why I say like this? Recording on computer is easy. This is because it is automatically keeping our recording transaction and we don't worry if the recording missing. Besides, the recording on computer can improve the accuracy of record keeping and can quickly and easily to keep up to date information when they need. Next, Asnani Cosmetics can update the recording on the computer.
I'm Nozarifa binti Mat Zakri, matric number A19A0487. I want to talk about my research at Asnani Cosmetics. 1 September 2019, description have equipment 2,000, cash 14,000, stock 4,000 in debit and total capital is 20,000 in credit. We can see the highest was at 28 September 2019 which was 1,265 and this date Asnani Cosmetic Paste Trend which was total is 2,300. The lowest was on 18 September 2019 that amounted is 249. Total on debit is 37,806 and total on credit is same with debit. Cash account show 1 September 2019 is capital that amounted 14,000 in debit and from the bottom of the 2 September 2019 until 29 September 2019 are sale. On the 30 September 2019, balance carried down is 31,803 in credit. Will balance brought down on 1 October is also 31,803. Sale account show in debit 30 September 2019. Balance carried down is 50,503. Will in credit to September 2019 until 29 September 2019 is cash and balance brought down same with balance carried down that is 50,503. In debit on the equipment account have 1 September 2019 capital is 2,000 and 1 October 2019 balance brought down also 2,000. Will in credit 30 September 2019 balance carried down also 2,000. Stock account show in debit 1 September 2019 capital 4,000, 1 October 2019 balance brought down that is 4,000 and 30 September 2019 balance carried down also 4,000. Rent account show in debit 28 September 2019 is cash 23,000 and 1 October 2019 balance broke down also 23,000. In credit 30 September 2019 balance carried down same with cash and balance broke down. And the last capital account in credit have 1 September equipment 2,000, cash 14,000, stock 4,000 and 1 October 2019 total balance brought down is 20,000. Will in debit 30 September 2019 balance carried down that is also 20,000. This is trial balance of Asnani Cosmetic. In debit have cash that is 31,803, equipment 2,000, stock 4,000 and total is 37,803. Will in credit have sale 50,503, rent 23,000, capital 20,000 and total debt is also 37,803. This is Asnani Cosmetic trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 30 September 2019. We can see total sales Asnani Cosmetic for September is 50,503. Cost of goods sold have opening stock 41,606 minus closing stock 4,000 and the total is 37,606. Sale mass minus total just now forget gross profit and the total is 22,103. Expenses have rent 23,000 plus equipment 2,000 and total is 43,000. Gross profit mass minus expenses forget net profit and total is 17,803. This is Asnani Cosmetic balance sheet as at 30 September 2019. Fixed asset just have equipment 2,000, current asset have stock 4,000 and cash 31,803. Fixed asset and current asset must plus and the total is 37,803. Finance by have capital 20,000 must plus net profit 17,803. The total is also 37,803. List of asset and liabilities Asnani Cosmetic. Fixed asset just have equipment 2,000. Current asset have stock 4,000 and cash 31,803.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sofia Anissa binti Muhammad Supian Basri. My metric number is A19A0897. I want to share the importance of accounting to the micro business or petty traders activity. When we are starting our own small business, we have to know what is important of accounting to the micro business activities. For 4 years Asnani Cosmetic, her business needs to have a complete account statement to further strengthen her business. The importance of accounting to the Asnani Cosmetic is to serve as a measuring instrument to determine whether a business has been operating for a long time, whether it is profit or loss. Through accounting reports such as statement of balance sheet, statement of profit or loss and balance sheet is a measuring of the level of annual performance of a company and its business. Second, accounting will help Asnani Cosmetic obtain loan approval. A complete account is the main document that a bank officer will request when Asnani Cosmetic borrowing from any banking institution, whether it is a local bank such as CIMB Bank, Maybank or General Bank, or other institutions such as MARA Tekon, MBSB, PNB, and others. Third, accounting also will help us non-cosmetic in audits, legal issues, and tax. Accounting is the practice of recording or settling account in financial transaction and determining income and expense for tax. All company accounting records must be kept of 7 years of accounting. It is also necessary for facilitate tax and audit matters. It should be sent to the Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM annually. Bad business issue can be audited and inspected by government authorities. Accounting will handle all audit-related issues. Fourth, accounting will help one Asnani to plan for the future. A complete account will be the benchmark for the year's performance and a guide to future business plan. For example, if an entrepreneur wants to produce a new product, then the past record involved should refer to the overview of the cost involved. Lastly, accounting helps us non-cosmetic to be statutorily compliant and create budget and future projections. Good business accounting can make sure timely recording as non-cosmetic liabilities that needs to be paid within a prescribed timeline. For example, provident fund, pension fund, VAT, sales tax, and income tax. This will help us non-cosmetic to be statutory if payment of liability is timely. Accounting data also help us non-cosmetic to study budget and forecast for future time. Business trends are projected based on past data produced by accounting system.
Next, suggestion to the micro business PT trends of the how and what to do. Have a systematic recordings of business, translation, and final account. For the weakness, they have three. Is it the strategy of the management, poor marketing and sales alignment, and setting the goals? For the suggestion, training employing every month. Number 2, they must be making a good marketing and sales alignment. Number 3, set the goals to the employees. Training employee every month. The employee will more know the process of this business. The employee have to train before starting their works. This is because some of the employees are not have experience mostly. So after they are having a training, they know about their works. Number 2, they must be making a good marketing and sales alignment. Must be focused on communication with their staff. The boss and the staff will be conflict on the communication between the marketing and sales. Taking the time discuss project, deals, and updates on the weekend basis can provide misunderstanding and countless other communication issues. For the third, set the goals to the employees. If the employees can achieve the target, the boss will give them extra premiums as award. The goals can also be measured. The sale of the product for every employee. The management of the honest committee can put the goal in their obvious place.
For the last part of our accounting assignment, the conclusion. Accounting is important in running a company to know the financial flow. A good accounting system will make a company become more successful and able to expand. In my observation, Astani Cosmetics have made a huge profit by using a simple calculation and might be able to expand its business in the future.
The word accounting comes